I walked past this, and I mean, look at this. I gotta try, right? So just put in the, I'm either gonna get 3 or I'm gonna get none, and I'm gonna be pissed. C3, let's see what happens. You've gotta be fucking kidding me. No! People have asked why don't I push it, because it's bolted into the earth. So you can't even fucking, oh, it's so close. Here we go, C3, see what happens. What's happening? No way! What? I mean, at this point, it can't possibly go any higher, right? It's already touching the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can't, it's gotta. I'm doing it again. I'm doing C3 again. We're gonna see what the fuck happens. It can't possibly, here we go. C3. Go. This is absolutely maddening because this one is stuck in a fucking ring, and that's causing all of these to not. I'm gonna do one more C3. There's no fucking way it doesn't drop in this one, right? All right, everybody, this is it. This is for all the marbles. Here we go. C3. Go. Drop.